Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to delete a secret chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a secret chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after you have opened your Telegram app, guys, your secret chats on Telegram will be available like this. You can see at the top of the screen there's a chat with a lock sign on it, which means that this chat is a secret chat. You can see over here, guys. Now in order to proceed to delete that secret chat on Telegram, you can either do it from the here inbox section, where you can tap and hold on it and delete by tapping on the delete icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, and there is an empty box where it says also delete for that person. Tap on the box, and when the tick mark appears, tap on the delete chat over here, and that secret chat on Telegram will be deleted. And there, guys, this is how to delete a secret chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.